Alright, if you're a teenager and you want to learn how to make money online, I'm going to show you guys 3 ways on how to do so. So let's get right into the video. Alright, for the first one, we have Mercari. Now this app right here is an app where you can sell things online. You mainly use this app to sell things that you have like laying around in your house that you don't use anymore. Or you can like buy products and resell them, so you can do it either way. But off of this app right here is pretty good. When I use this app, I made around like $100 in a week. So it was pretty good to use, pretty easy to use, you know what I'm saying? As you can see on my screen right here, I sold some retro Jordans for $35, and I sold some Alexander McQueen's for $55. So that made me around $100, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to just sell things online really easily and make profit, I recommend you use Mercari. But the thing about Mercari is like you also have to like ship packages, but its videos on shipping packages is pretty easy. If you guys want me to show you that, I'll show you that. But Mercari, I recommend this a good 8 out of 10. I recommend you highly use this. It's very easy to use. You just create an account and then you just start listing items to sell online. It's that simple. But on to the next one. All right, for the second one, we have affiliate marketing. Now this one is basically where you work with companies or businesses or whatever. And basically what you do with these companies is usually you have an item to promote for them, basically, right? So basically you'll get the item, right? And usually the item that they're trying to get you to sell to people, it will have a link to it. So once you get the item, you just basically copy the link and you basically try to get people to click the link. And when people click the link and they buy something from the website or whatever, you get a thing called commission. Commission is basically where you get like a % of the profit, basically. So basically, let's say you're working with a clothing company, right? On affiliate marketing. You basically, a person buys something, right? They buy like a $24 shirt. If they buy a $24 shirt, you'll probably get like $5 for a commission, basically. So basically, the more people that click your link and buy stuff from that website, the more money you get. It's pretty simple to use and easy to use. So far, I've been doing affiliate marketing like for like a past like 1 week so far. So far, I made $5 off of it, but you know, it's always a good start, you know what I'm saying? It takes time. You gotta be patient when you're trying to make money online. So that's the thing you also gotta learn. You gotta be patient. But let's go on to the last one. All right, for the third one, we have transcription jobs. Now, these are basically where you just put captions on the video. It's pretty easy and pretty simple to do. It's not very complicated. The website I recommend you go like apply for a transcription job at online is called Go Transcript. Go Transcript. This is actually very easy to use. You just sign up for it. But you gotta go through like you gotta apply for it though. So once you like take the test, the application test or whatever, they'll get back to you within 30 days, right? Once they get back to you within 30 days, they will let you know if you passed the application test or you did not. So if you did pass the application test, you basically just get started right away. Once you get accepted, that's when you can start doing transcription. So you basically just download people's audios and then you just transcript them, you know, just put words on them. That's all you got to do. It's pretty simple. It's just making captions. That's all it is. Like YouTube captions. That's all it is. You're just making captions for people's audio. That's all you're doing, okay? It's not really that difficult to do. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. I recommend this one because it's pretty simple, but let's say you do get denied, right? Let's say you don't get accepted into the job. What you can do from here, you can basically just reapply for it. So you can keep reapplying for it until you actually pass and get the job. And the good thing about this transcription job is that you can make your own time. So it's like they don't have certain times for you to do it. You know what I'm saying? Like if you want to, let's say you want to transcribe some audio, like at midnight, you can do that. You make your own time. You're your own boss. You're your own boss on this one. All right. You can make your own time. It's that easy. This transcription job is pretty simple. I recommend all of these. These are pretty easy and very good to use. All right, but that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and make sure to go follow my social medias down below in the comment section, okay? Because I'm going to be dropping more videos on how to make money online. Now I'll see you guys later. Peace.